What's interesting, that looks shorter than 12.
It does. It looks tiny from the outside.
It does.
It looks real small.
I am actually finishing up here at Adventure Van Expo, but I'm walking back to my truck, which is over in the camping section. And I walk past this lovely gentleman right here, who's the owner of Wanderbox. Been a fan of yours for a long time. You've been a fan of mine for a long time.
Absolutely, long time.
And we're gonna tour the Wanderbox right now, and Paco is behind me. Here we go. Well, this is a really interesting way to start my video.
Yeah.
Because
we're just open.
We're open, and I'm literally standing on a part that is cantilevered.
Yeah, you're just out on the deck having a good time.
I'm out on this deck thingy. Why don't you introduce yourself before we get into the rest of the tour?
I'm Dexter, and this is my house, the Wanderbox.
Excellent.
This is my 4th rendition of creating a box truck, and now I've built a couple for some clients and some friends. And
you told me, how many have you done? Like 10?
Almost. I think we've done 9 now.
9, okay.
Yeah, including my first Sprinter, yeah.
What is the year, make, model, chat? What are we on?
We're on a unique vehicle. We're on a 2006 Chevy Kodiak 4500, and it is 4-wheel drive, sitting on 43-inch super single military tires.
This thing's a beast.
It is a beast. I call it beefcake.
Beefcake. You've taken this and you've taken beefcake into some serious terrain.
Oh yeah, we've been sending it in the mountains here near Tahoe. We've been to Burning Man twice.
Okay.
Went to Mudman this year and
how did you get all the
art
pine
cars.
dust out of here?
I mean, it's not all out.
Okay.
A lot of it's out, but it took a couple hours. It's just a dedication because I don't care. I leave this thing open in the dust storm.
Did you really?
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We're having a good time.
Oh my goodness.
We're fully living.
So Dexter, yeah, talk to me about this. What I'm standing on, which is literally your deck.
Yeah, so this is my my favorite part, and this is what everything has evolved around on all the builds.
Okay.
Is making this clamshell door.
I'm gonna turn
getting
around.
rid of the roller door, cutting that out, throwing it away, and then making this 60-40 split. So it comes up, and then the other bench will come in here with another backrest, and then you got an armrest. You can only open the top, so I always park on like rivers and lakes and just one with it. I can dive off of it into the hot springs.
I actually did a tour a couple months ago, Vinny, and you slipped into my comments.
Yeah.
You were like, dude, I love this. This is what I did.
Yeah, I think he was a little inspired.
I think he was.
Makes me so happy.
Yeah, he was definitely inspired by you. Yeah. And he did the same exact thing, but he didn't have it open in his video.
Right.
You have it open.
Right,
for me.
yeah. I mean, that's what it's for. It's built to be open.
So it's open all the time. You're out at Hot Springs, you're out of the thing, you're out of Burning Man.
Mm-hmm.
This is your living bench area, couch, whatever?
Yeah, so this is one of the couches. The other one is there on felt pads and can move to be an L.
Okay.
You can go to the other side to have more space. Sometimes it goes over here where you're sitting to have even more space. Sometimes it leaves and there's a DJ, there's a band. I've had full drum sets, guitars, like lights and lasers galore. And then this closet actually collapses. I take all the clothes out of it, put them in the front seat, and then this collapses to the wall and another cushion goes in, so you've got a guest bed.
Oh, you have a guest bed?
Yeah, so
just
you
in
can
case.
do elevator, bunk bed.
Well, we're going to get to that. It looks like above us, which, by the way, I was just standing. How tall are you?
6.
And can you stand?
Oh yeah, it gives me, it was built for me, so I've got an inch, and I can go higher.
Yeah,
This is usually where I put it just because I got a lot of pillows. If I take the pillows off and put them in the front, you can go a couple more inches.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'm shorter than you. I stand quite nicely.
Yeah, it's nice.
I think you might even forget there is a freaking bed up there.
Right, a lot of people don't realize, and they're like, wow, that's a really cool piece of art. I'm like, that's actually the bed.
Yeah, aluminum art, everybody.
Yeah.
Did you do the welding?
So my really good buddy Josh from Inch out in Vegas did it, and he is just an extremely talented welder.
Wow, to do any type of aluminum welding, you have to be.
Yeah, so the back doors are all aluminum, shower pan. He's been teaching me how to weld, and love that guy. He's very talented.
Dimensions of the box overall, do you know what they are? Of course you do.
Yeah, the box is 12 feet long, 8 feet, and 8 feet wide.
8 feet?
Yeah.
That is...
Or maybe 7.5, actually.
Whatever,
this one's a
man.
7.5.
That's still insane.
Yeah, it is plenty of room. And you can stand right in this area of the kitchen.
Okay.
And then you get the full height. So if someone's over like 6'2", then they can stand there.
Now, the step up, obviously, whatever that, it looks like maybe at 9 inches or so.
Yep.
Okay.
Very good.
Can we go up into the kitchen?
Yeah, absolutely.
So let's go up here. And I can stand here comfortably. You said it was designed and built for you, so
yeah, so it's the same thing.
You can definitely stand in here.
I've got another, probably like 2 inches.
Is that how you get into bed when your bed is down?
Yeah, so I can step on this, and the bed comes down to here.
Okay.
So it's not that big of a step for me.
That's awesome.
Got my pull-up bars.
I was going to say, what are those? Are the pull-up bars?
Yeah, I put them all over, and sometimes when the closet's down, you get another step here.
Well, you want to take that shirt off, you got to stay in shape. Pull-up bars it is, everybody.
Pull-up bars for the win.
You do the woodworking in here, obviously.
Yeah.
This is all you.
It's me and my buddies in Vegas. And
Okay.
we've just learned a lot over the years on how to like make really nice curves.
I know you're on the road full time. Is home base Vegas?
No.
Okay.
Home base, I guess, would be Wisconsin.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
I grew up in Green Bay. I'm from Door County. Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, Wisconsin boy here.
But you kept on mentioning Vegas.
Yeah, they're in Vegas. I spent 9 months with them building a couple other rigs for clients and this one. So we had a lot of fun and now we've done a 26-foot box truck that you'll get to see Zach's massive truck.
Is that on your channel?
It will be
Okay.
very soon. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe by the time this video comes out.
Yeah, he's still doing some metal work.
Okay.
More aluminum and more aluminum.
So shout out to your channel, Wanderbox.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you do a lot of stuff on there.
Uh-huh.
Really well. I love this woodwork. It looks like a chevron.
It
style.
is chevron acacia. There's actually from Lowe's, but then there's multiple pieces here with some dowels in it.
Okay.
And a lot of metal work underneath so that you can put some weight on.
Man, look at that.
Right?
Dude, that's so. I don't want to call it psychedelic. It's just different.
It's just different.
It's different.
Well, I've done this layout so many times in a 12, 14, 16, and a 20-foot version, and I always do a very similar thing to separate, but it's been square, and I'm just sick of hitting the corner. It did lose the flip-up extension, but I don't need it.
So when you have, this is a 12 foot, right?
Yeah.
So when you go longer, this just lengthens out?
Yeah, it lengthens out. Usually the door is over here.
Okay.
On the 16-foot version, there was the door and then a desk, and I had a 30-inch monitor like this. And a whole workstation, and the bathroom just was oriented.
Where do you do your work? You know, I know you do a lot of video work and
yeah.
work,
So I have a documentary film company, and I just travel all over the country doing that, and now building these too.
Okay.
I work
do
festivals.
You sit on the couch and use that as a monitor? Or?
So I bring this chair up here, pull this guy out, put my keyboard right here, and my mouse here, and this guy can come forward.
Yep.
Or he can go over here and be a standing desk.
Beautiful.
So I've actually got a really nice workstation in the shortest version I've made yet.
Okay.
There's all kinds of other hidden things here too.
You're going to show me. I'm going to switch spaces with you.
Yeah, sure. First by the door, this is a total disaster for the show. But there's a ton of storage in here.
Oh my goodness.
And a computer. I just kind of shoved it all in.
Yeah, you got to do it, man.
I got shoe storage down below.
It looks like you have a heater. There's your
Yeah,
vent.
there's a diesel heater under this.
Okay.
There's some hidden storage behind here. This whole thing swings out.
Like on a Lazy Susan? Or?
Oh, no, you just grab this lever.
Oh, wow.
So you can store some things back there.
Yes, we're going to leave it at that.
Yep. We got the electric components down here. So if you take the closet apart, you pull the bottom out, all the Victron stuff is down there.
Great. How much amp hours you got?
We got 800 amps of lithium underneath this drawer here, one of my clothing drawers. So I can just get down there.
Power's not an issue.
No, never an issue. Got 1,700 watts on the roof.
Yep. Which is nice about these boxes.
Tons of space.
So much space.
Yeah.
Do you have any fans up there?
I got one fan.
Oh, you do have
one fan in the middle. So the solar panels hang over a little bit.
Oh, they do.
Because we got 3 550 watts.
So much.
But I do have a mini split.
Oh my gosh, you have a Mr. Cool back there?
Oh yeah.
So that's on a 120 volt.
Yeah.
How is that pulling off your system?
Totally fine.
It's okay.
Not a problem. As long as you start before it gets too hot. We got 3-burner stove.
Oh yeah.
And the oven. Gotta have. I cook a lot.
You got the propane.
Yeah, I like propane. We could go electric.
I got nothing against it. You know,
I like gas.
I like an open flame.
Yeah.
Which is what you got.
Exactly.
It's pretty cool. And now, is your hot water also propane?
Yes. On demand. Love it. Wouldn't change it. Huge fan.
Yeah, multi-purpose propane, right? What's in that little?
So this is one of my pantries, and we got bottle storage for the show. We'll just leave that out.
So obviously you can't use that to get to your pantry. You obviously don't put stuff on top.
Yeah, so I've just got tons of canned goods on the bottom.
But a real smart way to kind of like, that's dead space over there.
Yeah, it's usually just dead. Otherwise it was going to be like another water tank or something.
Yeah.
But we decided to put in this beautiful cut. And then you can also use this as like a charcuterie board. Bring it out.
Of course you can.
Yeah.
Is that a 120 volt fridge?
No, this is 12.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is a
very
massive,
loaded.
massive 12
But
volt.
I just went grocery shopping yesterday, and it will be a couple weeks till I even have to think about it again.
Now, is that a child-proof lock that you just switched over there?
This guy, I found it on Amazon. It's actually goes in the 2 screw holes that hold the ambidextrous door.
Genius.
And it's just a T. We made our own at first, and then I found it available by Rec Pro, I think, and just
$15 or whatever it is.
Cheap. Like, awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks,
right
guys.
on.
Fix the problem.
Exactly.
Yeah, highly recommend.
But yeah, is that inspiration right there?
Yeah. So the new Earth Roamer has been really pretty to look at. Is
it your goal to get one, or
no?
Okay.
I'm making my own.
This is it.
This is the poor man's Earth Roamer, but
I mean that thing is a solid $1 million, give or take.
Yeah.
And yours, if you want to talk price, we can.
Oh yeah, all in with the truck, with the super singles, with all the components, I'm like 37,000.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And you can go pretty much everywhere that can go.
Oh, I'll go places he won't go because that's too nice.
That's too nice.
I mean, depending on the driver, but I'll go places because I'm scratching the sides. I don't care. I'm going.
I'm mobbing this thing. Yeah. I love it. And of course, you have to have a bathroom, man.
Oh yeah, have to have a bathroom, and I take a shower every day.
Okay.
Got 75 gallons. We're gonna upgrade to another 75 gallons on the other side soon.
Well, I guess the nice thing about these chassis, you can hold all that weight.
Oh yeah, we're rated for 19,500.
And do you know what the weight is?
17.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So we're still under. It's heavy, but it feels good. It rides great. It's got
a lot of people love to comment on these videos MPG.
Oh, 10.
Okay.
Yeah, and it actually got better on the highway with the bigger tires. The RPM went down.
Okay.
In the city, it's heavier tires and everything, but the RPM came way down.
Just know if you're buying this style of truck, you're going to be between that 8 to 12 range.
And that's totally fine when you realize like how much stuff I have in here. I've got all my tools.
Listen, I have a Ranger Raptor 2024.
Yeah.
Guess what? I got 15.
Exactly.
It ain't that better.
Right, and you look at a lot of these Transits and ProMasters, they're getting 10, 11.
Yeah. The Sprinters are getting about,
they're
10
maxed
to 12.
out and they need airbags, and I'm like, it's fine, I don't care.
And they're also 250 grand. Well, this is 40. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's not what I'm selling them for, but that's what I was able to build this for, being resourceful, finding things cheap, doing some sponsored deals.
You're going to have to, spend a little bit more money if you're going to get one from you.
Yeah.
You got a toilet in there. It looks like Trulino or Ogo. Also a great product.
I love Ogo.
Yeah.
Huge shout out to those guys. Big fan.
And you said you take a shower every day.
Oh yeah.
And that's a low flow shower. That's the Moen.
Yeah. These are great because they're adjustable height. You've got the wand if you want. I took it off, but it's just a mister. Love how little I can take a 10-minute shower every day for 2 weeks.
Yeah, and you're probably only using maybe a gallon and a half.
Yeah, gallon and a half. It's real low.
What Shaden showed me that one in one of his videos. Yeah. Is that where you got it from? Or did you have it beforehand?
I've seen it in Shaden's builds over the years, and then it just popped up on Marketplace for super cheap, and I'm like, well, I'll put one in
those
mine.
are expensive.
Right, they're very expensive.
I've actually seen one. Somebody did instead of that one. They just used the wand.
Ah,
yeah, which is it's only 1.2 or 0.8 or something like that.
It's way less, and that would work. I don't want to hold it. I'd need a mount, but that works. Yeah.
I mean, this thing is so rad. You want to pop to the outside and we can talk a little bit
sure.
about the outside? Unless you have some more to show me in here.
Oh, I mean, the bed's up here. You've all seen elevator beds. It comes down and...
Is it a Happy Jack?
It is a Happy Jack.
Okay, that was one of my questions.
I've been lucked out and got them at like resellers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, salvage yards and stuff. So I've got them super cheap.
So you try to be as budget conscious as possible.
For my own.
For your own, yeah. Yeah. The client's paying, you're like, I don't care.
I'll build you something awesome, but mine,
Actually,
I'm on a budget.
Right above your door, it looks like you put a little window in for your bed.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite things is when the bed comes down, I've got a curtain in front of it, and I have the fan set to suck in. All the other windows are closed except that one, so it blows the curtain over my face and just rains cold air on me.
Who doesn't love that?
I sleep so well.
Do you know overall height?
11'10" now with the tires.
Still go East Coast, 13.6 is legal.
Yeah, we're good on the East Coast.
Okay,
we're staying west.
Hey man, I'm an East Coaster.
I know. We'll just fly in and dip out. I'm good on that. Been there.
It looks like you even have a backup camera mounted down here.
Oh yeah, I've got security cameras all over. So I've got 180-degree Real Link cameras on the front, sides, back, camera up top. There's a lot.
It looks like obviously you're planning on treading your tires, but it looks like they're wearing a little bit.
Oh yeah.
How much are those suckers?
You can get them from military surplus for about $500 a piece.
Wow.
But usually they're going to be like $1,200 to almost $2,000 for these big ones
each. When I'm paying about 18 for all four.
Yeah. I got all of them for $1,900.
That's
with
great.
the rims.
That's
so I
great.
Got a hell of a deal, and that's why I'm like, okay, they had 50% tread on it. I've been riding them hard. We'll be fine.
What's interesting, that looks shorter than 12.
It does. It looks tiny from the outside.
It does.
It looks real small.
Like you said, the solar panels overhang just a little bit.
Which is actually kind of nice, because then the rain and the shade works a little better and more airflow underneath.
You want to walk around the other side, or we got stuff to show me on this side?
Yeah, there's not much on the other side.
Okay.
Although I have.
You have a friend here that has another one, it looks like.
Yeah, this is my buddy Jason. He's got his own version of the Wanderbox.
Oh, that's actually the owner of Paco.
Yes, that's Paco's dad.
Paco's dad.
Yeah. This was actually a street sweeper.
No way.
This is something we talked about years ago at Burning Man. He put a street sweeper, pulled the sweeper part off.
Did you build that? I'm sorry, I think you mentioned it.
What?
Did you build that?
No, it's inspired by me.
Oh, it's inspired by you.
That's his version of it.
I love the idea that Jason did with the solar panel.
Yeah, he's got 4,000 watts.
Does he really?
It's insane. But he's got a Tesla battery. Very different world. There's a 52 kilowatt hour Tesla
almost
battery
need to tour his too. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, it's a beast. But I got 3 storage boxes here full of stuff. Shore power. I just got a new hose, so I got to put that in one of these boxes when I unlock it. The mini split is on the top. Burning Man did destroy the cross member. It rusted after San Diego for a few months, and then Burning Man, and it just immediately the paint is gone. So I need to get up there and do some work, but it kind of looks like a crappy truck, so probably not going to come over and knock.
So you got the Chevy, the Duramax.
Yeah.
I mean, this thing is...
Yeah, big Duramax, and it's the Goodyear. It's a 06, so it's an LBZ engine.
Pre-def.
Pre-def.
And you got the Allison transmission.
Allison 1000.
This thing is going to last a million miles.
Should. Yeah, and I'll just build it out and then put bigger studs in it and just,
call it a day.
We're going to keep this one for a while.
May I ask why the strap?
So this ratchet strap is holding this more secure.
Okay.
Because whoever had it before me hit something and broke one of the T-bolts off, and it's broken inside, so when it swings down, it's got a little play.
Nice.
So it's just to keep it kind of there.
Fair enough.
Yeah, it's there. And once again, it looks like a crappy truck, nothing to see. Did you notice the flames? I did not install those. I tried to remove them, and it'll take some time.
Oh, I mean, it's honestly not a Wanderbox without the flames, everybody.
You got the yellow helmet, the vest.
So are you being incognito with this?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. I've never had a knock.
Oh, never had a knock?
No.
I mean, who's going to knock on this thing?
Why would you knock?
I don't know.
And I've got the alarm set all the time, so
you
walk
really?
toward it and lights go on.
Let's wrap this up. Where can we find Dexter and the rest of your stuff?
Instagram.
Okay.
The Wanderbox. W-A. Wander.
Wander.
There's some periods in between.
Okay, yeah. Wanderbox, and you have a YouTube, I believe.
I have my own YouTube. I haven't done a lot on it, but I also film for a really big YouTube channel, your competitor.
It's not my competitor. I mean, it is, but.
Tiny House Giant Journey. So I film.
I love Jenna.
Homes.
Jenna is one of my
awesome.
favorite people on earth. So I don't look at her as a competitor.
Perfect.
because I can't hold a candle to her.
Yeah, she's killing it. She's doing really, really unique homes. And so I get to travel all over the country, meet incredible people, cave homes, tree houses, boat
so cool.
homes. Like, it's just awesome. So
she has a great channel too.
Yeah, she does. And we're going to line up a bunch of stuff for the fall here. So I'm hoping to get back on the road and do more tours.
Dude, finally good to meet you.
Yeah, it's been
the
a while.
Papago guys.
What's up?
What up, homie?
Oh, buddy.
Good, how are you?
Good.
Big tires.
Big tires.
6-foot man next to a tire. Everybody.
Yeah, manual locking hubs.
That's pretty sick,
I just pulled out an art car at Burning Man. One of the biggest, most crazy art cars, Longfang. It's just like a $5 million monster was stuck in the mud. And
I don't know what that is, but
I'll send you a video.
Okay. Your documentary. Did you want to plug your documentary?
Oh, yeah. You can check out a documentary about me and my travels and a couple people that I was on the road with called All Who Wander, allwhowandermovie.com.
Do you have any more coming out?
So we're trying to turn it into a docu-series.
Okay.
So we've been in talks for a long time to get the funding to actually, we've got it storyboarded, we've got 13 episodes laid out.
Nice.
It's just a very long process to get it going.
Yeah, you might need funding for that.
Yeah.
Would be nice.
Sponsors, the whole thing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and I should add, this box has been on 3 different trucks.
Okay.
So I had it on my 4-wheel drive Mitsubishi Fuso. Great truck, little 4-cylinder, can't quite handle. It was about 12,000 pounds and it was struggling. So then I put it on this beast.
This engine?
Yeah.
Not a problem.
Not a problem. No, I tuned it. We've got just under 500 horse
This
now.
goes uphill pretty easily now.
Accelerating.
The turbo diesel.
Yeah,
Gotta
it's really
love
fun. And we're just going to make upgrades. Bigger turbo, no exhaust. We'll see.
Oh, jeez.
I'm from Wisconsin, so there's no emissions.
All right, well,
I don't
thanks
know if I want to
again.
be that guy, but
Dexter, man, I really appreciate it. Guys, go check him out. We'll see you later, bud.
see ya.